assist the school administrator in how to create academic report templates and share these with the teachers so they can upload the reports for their students. So you log in as the administrator, navigate to the left-hand menu, click on academic, and then click on academic reports. You're then going to see all your reports over here. If you haven't created a report, simply click on the menu button and then click on add new template. So what you want to do is you want to create a template, for example, for grade 10 academic report. And then you've got the option if you want to show the report title, your opening and closing dates, your student class grade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just turn a few of these off. I don't want to show the weight of the child or the height. I also don't want to show the head of department's name, comment, or signature. I then have the option to, these are still coming, these 3 templates, but what we do have is the development milestones for the younger children, and then this is for the older children, the subjects, percentages, and codes. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to click continue. It automatically populates the competence levels. So you can edit these if you want. You can change these, but basically we've got them listed as per the school's requirements. You click continue. So here's the one I've just created. I can view that template if I wish. This is just a template, so it's going to put your student's first name, last name, and then it's got your signatures of the principals and what have you. So the next step from here is to go in and publish this. So once you're happy with what you've created, you're going to publish it. That's step 1. You're then going to come in and you're going to click on to general settings. Now, on the report card, you can choose to show your school name, address, website, school's email. I don't want to show my school's directors, so I turn that off. I want to show the logo. Then, who is the principal? It's Sean Penn. You can put a disclaimer in here, and then over here, you can just put any comment over here at the bottom. What you could put in over there, for example, could be something like your higher grade certificate, qualification, diploma, bachelor's degree. So you can add any optional information over there, but I'm going to choose to turn that off for now. And then I'm going to click apply changes. So now when I log in as the teacher, and I click on academic report, academic reports, what's important now is as this teacher, I'm linked to 2 different grades, grades 1 and grades 3, for example. Let's say I want to go and upload it for grade 3, and I'm uploaded for Susie Smith. So I click on generate report. Upload a PDF would basically be uploading your own school's PDF to share with the parents, but I actually want to create one report that I've just created. So I'm going to click on this one, choose this template. So it pulls through the term year, the term number, the title, Susie Smith. This would be her student number. You can just add in, otherwise it'll just pull it in through for you if you've added to her profile. The student's age, attendance, days absent. You can manually just put in how many days she was late. Click next step. It automatically pulls through that student's subjects. So I can say that she got 66, 67 for science, 54 for practical, 87 for biology, 76, and so forth. I click on next. So I've now got the option to add the teacher's comment and then the principal's comment. Click on submit, and that's it. So that's been saved. If I click on Sharks class and I go down to Susie Smith, I click on preview as the teacher, and I'm now previewing this report card. It's pulled through all the rating codes, it's pulled through her results, and it's automatically given it the code. So these are your codes here, and it's automatically put that in for you. You've got your teacher's comment, principal's comment, your disclaimer, and then the signatures. Just a quick one on the signatures. You just click on your profile photo. Any profile, any administrator or teacher can do this. At the bottom, it's got your signature. You click here, and then you can just sign that report card. So it's saved on the system now. So when the parents, so let me go back to the administrator. So now, just to follow the steps, what you've done is the administrator has created the template, the teacher's uploaded the subjects. Now, the teacher can't send out that report card, only the administrator can. So let's click on View Available Reports, 2021 Term 2. There it is, Susie Smith. It's been uploaded by the teacher. You can then quickly click on this button and you can add comments, you can edit comments, click on Update. Now you can approve it, you can preview it, print it, edit it, share it, or delete it. Let's say we're going to approve it first of all. Okay, it's been approved. Now we're going to share it. So we're going to click Share, and it's automatically emailed to the parent. Academic report card has been emailed. So now we're going to log in as the parent. So the parent's got the email, and they've also, it'll be sitting in there. There we go, there it is, Term 2. They can view it. The parent can view it from their side. And that is pretty much it. So if you've got any questions, you can email support@childcloud.co.za.